Hello guys, welcome back to Free Spirit Tarot, Triple V Tarot. I'm Frishale, psychic reader. I read according to my intuition and energies. Before starting this video, I want to thank all my supporters and subscribers who are making this channel grow. Let's do a general collective reading for sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. This reading is about karma of your ex for hurting you, who is not in contact with you now. Let's take a deeper look at their current feelings about you and their karma. It's a general reading. It may or may not resonate. If it doesn't resonate, it's not your story and the messages are not for you. So do like, share, and subscribe. So let's get started. I have already shuffled the cards. So let's see how they played you. Sun, Six of Swords, and the Hanged Woman. Okay, normally we have Hanged Man. Here it is woman. So I think that you are a woman. Okay. So this person, I think, just ghosted you. You had a happy relationship with them. They were never in complaint. Might be you were in long term relationship. Might be you have a kid with them or something like that. But still, you had a happy relationship with them. Still, they ghosted you. Ghosted you. They kept you stuck. They didn't give you any explanations, and they just cut you off. This is how they have played you. Or others of you, I think something about them came to light and they just walked away, and you felt like you were stuck in the situation. That is what I'm getting. I'll just adjust my camera a bit. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So now, how they feel about playing with you now? Okay. Five of Swords, Lovers, Eight of Cups. They think that they had to play these dirty mind games because they had someone else in the picture. See, there might be they feel that they had to leave you sad. They had no option. That is what they think, because they had to look after their own life first, because they are a selfish person. They played very they had to play dirty because they didn't wanted to speak the truth, as simple as that. Okay, so what's going on in their life now? Five of Wands, Six of Coins, Wheel of Fortune. I think the time is turning up and it's not in their favor. Normally, Wheel of Fortune is like, this is a 10. So this is a karma card. I see this card as a karma card. So right now this person is already facing their karma because they are fighting with everyone they meet up. Lot of fightings are going on with other than you. They are fighting with at the place of work, family, friends, wherever they are just fighting. And they are also giving lot of money to lot of people. Like, see, you can see four hands here. They're not able to balance their money. That is what I can see. And they are feeling very, they are feeling that they are in a chaos. That is how I can put it now. Anyway, what is truth about the third party? If you definitely knew there was a third party, as here the cards are revealing that there was a third party or there is a third party. This third party, how, what is the truth of this third party is that this is Knight of Swords, King of Cups, and Four of Pentacles. So this is showing me that this person shows lot of love to your person. They have lot of communication with each other, but this person is not showing their finances. There is a conflict between financial thing. They are not telling them anything about their finances. They are keeping this as a, they don't want to show anything to this person regarding finances. They are showing love and like a lot of communication between them is there, but no truth about their financial condition. So this is hidden from them. Anyway, so how they feel about you now? Six of Cups, Strength, and Six of Swords. So they feel that, see, again, you can see a small baby here, you know. So I think you have a child with this person. Yeah. So if you have a child with this person, they want to visit their kid or children, and they want to come back and visit their children. That is what they think about you. And they think that you are a very strong person and you will hold back their kids from them. That is what they are thinking now. So there are a lot of sixes here. Again, Six of Swords, and because here also Six of Swords is there. So they think that you will not allow their kids to meet them. That is what they are thinking. Okay. If you have kids with them, if you don't have any kids with them, then they want to come back and be friends with you, but you are holding back. That is what I can feel. Yeah. If you don't have any kids, then this is the scenario that they want to come back, be friends with you, because they want to cherish memories whatever you had earlier, but you are holding back. That is what they are feeling. you don't have you don't want anything to do with them. That is what basically they are feeling, but they want to be friends with you. Okay. How you feel about them now? How you feel is the world. You are done with them. King of Wands and King of Swords. So basically the thing is that you have come to a realization that this person is a player. They are no good for you. So you have ended this relationship with them, and you have accepted. King of Swords is we are very brutal, and you are not ready to even talk to them. You have just cut them off. That is what you feel about them, or that is what you have done. So let's see what is going on with them now. Tower, Page of Swords, Judgment. Okay, right now as we speak, they are having a very powerful realization that you are walking away. Can you see this lady walking away? See, if you are a lady, you are walking away. If you are a man, you are walking away. So this person is spying on you, gossiping about you, for sure. Their sword is down, but they are keeping a watch on you, for sure. And they are judgment in karma card is also the thing that they are supposed to make a decision. They already made a decision, but time, like here I have already seen this Wheel of Fortune card. Wheel of Fortune and Judgment is that their karma time is going to begin now, and now they are thinking that whatever decision they made has made you walk away. That is what I can see. So what is their karma? Their karma is Three of Swords, Two of Wands, and the Death. These beautiful cards, yeah. See, can you see two women here? Yeah. So there are two women here. So this person's karma is that this third party is going to leave them. They're going to end. This is a death card. So you have already ended this relationship with them, and this other person is also going to end their relationship with them. And you can see here everywhere you can see ice. Though they will be left alone, very cold. They are not no, you are spiritually awake, so you are walking away. This person is coming and they will also end this relationship with them. And they will have no choice other than that their heart will be broken very brutally with this third party, because this third party is already not showing their financial things. So they have their own agenda of keeping your person for maybe only for finances. That can be the thing. Also they will always think about where to go. They will be lost. That is their karma, and already this karma card has come here. So they are already facing the music, I guess. Yeah. So let's see what are their messages for you. What are their messages for you? Give me five cards. What are messages for Virgo from Virgo's partner for Virgo? Okay, 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 okay. We are a mismatch. I have bad intentions. Please stay away from me. Then they have this thing that they want to run away from you. When they are with you, they feel like playing very dirty mind games with you. So they are asking you to stay away from them. Yes, one day we will be together, not in this lifetime. So they are accepting that they have made their choice and they want to go with that only. Okay. So I'm going through mental illness. I don't know how to deal with anxiety and stress. So they are also going through this tower moment has hit them very hard. It is not only you that the way you have walked away from them has hitting them hard. So they are going through mental illness. They are going through anxiety and depression. I don't know what to say, how to fix the misunderstanding. So they want to come back. That is, these cards are explaining this message that they want to come back and they want to tell you that it was a misunderstanding again. I love mind games. It gives passion to live life. Oh my god, this is a narcissist award. See, this card is like win at any cost, win at all cost. Now he's saying that let it be mind games. They don't mind playing with mind games. I feel good. I rejected you first. This is a very cheap person. This person thinks that I feel good. I rejected you first. So they walked away from you without informing you, without any communication, nothing. They just kept you hanging. And now they are telling you that they feel good about it, that they rejected you because they knew once you had come to light that they are in third party, you would have left anyway. Yes, one day we will be together, not this lifetime. So they know that they are not going to have you in any cost now because you are already walking away from them. Oh god, this reading is heavy. This person is a sick person, I guess, but they are soon going to face the music. Already this judgment card is telling me because this judgment card with Queen of Wands. Oh my god. See, you will get your justice, Virgo, don't worry. So, advice for Virgo. Give advice for Virgo. Advice for Virgo. Advice for Virgo. Surrender to the journey. Release control. So your spirit guide want you to surrender to the journey. You are going to a better place. See, don't be very emotional about this person. Far away places. Okay, so you can go. I know this is epidemic. I mean, like coronavirus and all these things are going on. Far away places, get ready for new horizons. It can be like spiritually you are going from one place to other, or literally you will be changing place. You might be, if you were living with this person or in the same city, you are going to shift. You need to shift from there. Navigating by stars. Follow your bliss. So guides are telling you to take your own journey, surrender to this journey. They want to tell you that they are taking you to a better place. Yeah. So if you are feeling that you are in a dark place now, your spirit guides are always around you. That is what that message I'm getting here. Narrow path, tread thoughtfully. So this path, wherever you are walking right now, is little bit narrow, but you will come out of it. Your guides are around you. Don't try to control the situation. If you have any, by any chance, if you want to change the place or you want to move away from the place you are living in, you can just go for that. That is what your guides are telling you. Okay, Virgo, I hope this reading resonated with you. And I hope you like this kind of reading. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell for more videos. For personal readings, do check description box down below. See you soon in next video. Till then, love and light.